If you're a beginner at baking or just want to whip up something quick yet fancy for your special someone or for self-indulgence, this is a video for you. Happy early Valentine's Day and happy baking! Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make these red velvet cupcakes with the package. So this is super easy to make because everything is pre-done already. All you have to throw in with a cake mix is the water, oil, and an egg. So yeah, super simple, and I got some Valentine's Day sprinkles just to go along with the mood because Valentine's Day is coming up. I will be making one from scratch to show you guys as well, but you know, let's go for the beginner ones because this is so much more simpler, and you can probably find this at your grocery store. So yeah, let's get started. Exciting! Wow, not bad for a pre-made cupcake mix. It's very airy, very spongy and airy. It's not too sweet. I think maybe it might be when I add the frosting on, but by itself is pretty good. Alright, so we're going to just wrap them up for the night, let them cool. I'll add the icing on top tomorrow since I'm bringing it to work. But yeah. That bag was supposed to be for 6, but we only made 4 kind of pretty ones. This one's not even enough. Kind of sad. So I think if you want to make it pretty and have it like big, expect it not to fill all the cupcakes. But if you are planning to just kind of cover the top like this, it's doable. You just just map it, or what they did here. I guess I did more than what they had there. And then lastly, now we're gonna put on the sprinkles. So let's see, I think these big ones are so cute. Let's put some on. Little mini ones. Okay. This last one, some sprinkles. These are cute. Well, I'm gonna take these to work now. We have a Valentine's event at my workplace, and I had to try out these cupcakes to make sure that they are going to be easy to make for everyone. Since we're making it for a larger group, we thought, it's easier to just go with those pre-made one. But gosh, this looks so pretty. I'm so glad we went with this way. And yeah, I think one other thing I need to note is that the frosting might not be enough if we go like this much per each cupcake. So we have to kind of lower the amount of frosting per cupcake, or we just make more like frosting on our own. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are a beginner at baking, definitely try this out. This is super easy to make, and the texture, everything is so spongy, so delicious. It's almost like you're a professional, you make it, and all you need to do is just crack those eggs, oil and water in, mix it for a bit, and voila, you have a very, very beautiful cupcake that you can stun everyone with. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!